Good afternoon, Wilkins Facebook fans, family, and friends. We have an exciting day for you here. Today we received 12 brand new 2024 motorcycles off of the truck. Kanan's over here checking them in so that they're ready to rock and roll for you. Kanan, say hi. Oh, hey, so there you go, perfect. So we're gonna start right up front here with the brand new 2024 Heritage in Alpine Green. This is gonna come with your classic chrome with your wire wheels and the 114 and all the classic comforts you would expect from a Heritage. Next to it here, we have the Road King Special. Road King Special in a new color this year. We have Billiard Gray. Coming blacked out with the 114, stretch bags, LED headlight. Again, all the custom works that you would expect to get from one of our specials. Fresh, brand new, off the truck. Wicked excited to have this color. Next to it is our Road Glide Limited in Shark Skin Blue. Very, very stunning color. Can't really see the metallic flake that's in it because we're lacking a little bit of sunshine today. But Cam's gonna try to get in there close to show you some details of the color. You got some nice shades of it. Looks really, really great in the sun. But again, all the touring comforts, backrest, luggage, 4-speaker stereo system, the whole 9 yards. Next to it here, tons of power, tons of fun. Our Sportster S also in Shark Skin Blue. Come back over to it, next to it, bringing it back to a classic, stripped down, chopped custom look. We have the Softail Standard, again in Billiard Gray, with a beautiful red painted graphic on the tank. Nice simplistic color, beautiful setup. Can't wait to take this one out for a ride. Next to it we have in Baja Orange, the Street Bob with the 114, 2-up passenger seat, all the blacked out components, black powder coated Annihilator wheels on this one, LED headlight up front. So lots of goodies on that little guy right there. Next to it here, we have the Limited in White Onyx Pearl. Beautiful, beautiful set here with the white and black contrast here. It's essentially a tuxedo on wheels. So if you're ready to go out to dinner, maybe have a nice night, maybe you're going to hang out with some penguins, this is the ride for you. Next to it, also in White Onyx Pearl, is a Road King Special. So again, 114, blacked out, LED headlights, stretch bags, mini apes right out of the gate. So a comfort cruiser, still have the wind in your face, but you have all the goodies that you would expect from a touring motorcycle. Next to it, in Red Rock and Vivid Black, is our Heritage with a 114 in the blacked out kit. As you can see, you got the powder coated black rim with the stainless laced wheels on it. LED headlight with the driving lamps up front. Again, mini apes windshield, which is not on it right now, but does come with it. And of course, your lockable structured saddlebags. Next to that, we have Fat Boy 114 in Sharkskin Blue and Chrome. So they carried over the chrome throughout, just like you were seeing on last year's model. They added a lot of chrome to give the bike a lot of depth. So the color contrast with that gives you a nice bright bike with a beautiful color on it. Gray pinstripe in it, LED headlight, nice squared off nacelle around the headlight. So really sexy, good looking bike here. Next to it, Sportster S in Red Rock. So Red Rock with the bronze, beautiful, beautiful paint scheme right there. This is gonna have the 1250cc. So this thing is ready to rock, ready to party, and can probably do wheelies. And then last but not least, we have the Street Bob in Blue Burst. Stunning color. You have to see this in the sunlight and in person. So you got a lot of metal flake in the paint here. You also got a nice two-tone blue with the 1 badging right on the tank. Blacked out 114 motor, 2-up riding. This thing is ready to party. So if you have any questions on this or any other vehicles that we have in the showroom, we still got some 2023 leftovers. Come on down, visit us. We got some great things going on down here. What else do we have going on, Cam? We got a giveaway that if you come down and sign up for, you can enter to win a shopping spree. So come see us and chat about that. RSVP for events. We got a whole bunch of shit going on. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 802-476-6104. Thanks.